Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to install XAMPP and some basic features of it. XAMPP is used for basically MySQL, which is database management system, and let's see how to do it. First you need to download and install it, so just search Google and we will download it from the official site. Okay, you need to click on XAMPP for Windows. I have already downloaded it, so let's start from there. Okay, so just double click on this downloaded file and it will start installing. Click on yes. You might get this message, just ignore it and it will be fine. Set up XAMPP, click on next. You don't need to do anything here, just click on next, next, next. Okay, next. It will start installing. It might take some time, so let's skip it for now. You might get this screen, a notification from firewall. Just allow access, click on allow access and it will be fine. Okay, unmark this box, you don't need to start the control panel right now. And finish it. Okay, so it's now installed in your device. First you need to find it where it is, and just click on start menu. You just need to go to this control panel. See this menu here: Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat are present. If you are working on MySQL, then you need to click on start and see there is a number. It means that it started. You need to allow access from Defender. Don't worry if this doesn't come, don't worry about it. Okay, so your MySQL started on this PC. If you want to check how to work on MySQL, you need to open the command shell. Click on this shell button and you will be able to access your database management system in this PC. Here it's starting, so you need to write here MySQL. And hit enter, and see here you are accessing your database system of this PC, and you need to write your command what you want to write in your database management system from here. Okay, that's all for today. See you in next video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you everyone.